Cloud has revolutionized the way we think about business. All of us now think nothing of sitting in a coffee shop, being able to do work at any time. Cloud, however, has some challenges. Firstly, if you don't have a connection to the internet, or if you're in an industry that has compliance or regulatory requirements. For example, the legal sector, the financial services sector, those organizations cannot consume public cloud. This is where hybrid cloud comes in. With hybrid cloud, we can take the benefits of cloud services and deploy them within your on-premise environment. Acuutech is a service provider. Those services have to be price effective and work reliably 24 hours a day to meet our customers' needs. The ThinkAgile platform from Lenovo was our partner of choice. Powered by Azure Stack from Microsoft, Lenovo has delivered an end-to-end turnkey appliance, which means that Lenovo are looking after your support, the update, and the service patching, all as part of the integrated turnkey solution, allowing us as a service provider to focus on delivering fantastic services to our customers.